These coconut chicken buns make a great party snack. Add warm water to a bowl followed by instant yeast and sugar and let it bloom. Add an egg, Kara UHT coconut milk and whisk it all together. Into the wet mixture, add all-purpose flour and salt and mix to form a shabby looking dough. Then take it out and knead properly. Add softened butter and knead that into for a couple of minutes. Cover and let it rise until it's doubled in size. Make the chicken in the meantime. Heat oil in a pan and add chopped onions, ginger, garlic and green chillies. Stir and add tomato paste and curry powder. Cook for a minute or two and then add the chicken cubes, green bell pepper and salt. Once the chicken is cooked, add a little bit of Kara coconut milk and coriander leaves. Stir and then let it cool completely. Going back to the dough, roll it out to a thickness of about an inch and then press out circles. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and let them rise until doubled in size. Use the back of a cup or a ramekin and make an indent in the dough. Fill that up with the chicken mixture and brush the edges with an egg wash. Sprinkle sesame seeds and then top the chicken with some cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and serve warm.